Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to build a course in Squarespace Courses. Whether you're sharing your expertise, creating educational content, or launching an online business, Squarespace makes it straightforward to set up and customize your course page. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your websites. From here, simply click on the website where you want to build your course. This ensures your course is integrated with the right site and accessible to your audience. Now look over to the left side menu and click on Content and Memberships. This section is where you manage all your site's content, including courses. Once you're in, head to the upper right corner of the screen and click Create, then select Course from the drop-down options. This initiates the course creation process. A prompt will appear asking you to input a course title, type in a clear, descriptive name for your course that reflects what students will learn, then click Continue. This title will be visible to your audience, so make sure it's engaging and informative. Next, you'll be presented with template options for your course. Choose one that aligns with your content style and branding. After selecting a template, wait for it to load. This might take a moment as Squarespace sets up the framework for your course. Once your online course appears, you'll see a left side menu with several options. Click the gear icon to access the course settings. Here, you'll find the general settings where you can adjust the course name, navigation title, custom URL, and more. These settings help you tailor how your course is displayed and accessed. You'll also notice a navigation section that controls how your course connects to the rest of your website, ensuring seamless integration. Next is the SEO tab, which allows you to improve your course's ranking in search results by optimizing meta descriptions, keywords, and more. Then there's the advanced settings, which includes page header code injection for adding custom header code if needed. After configuring the settings, click on Pricing Plans to set up how students will pay for your course. You'll see a pencil icon, click it to edit the plan details. Here you can change the plan name, add a description, include or remove benefits, and adjust the pricing structure. You can choose whether the course is a fixed amount, a subscription, or even free. Take your time to set this up according to your business model. Once you're satisfied with the pricing details, click Save to lock in your changes. Next, you'll want to click on Paywall. This feature controls what people see if they visit a paywalled page while logged out. It's essentially your sales page. Here you can edit the headline, description, featured pricing plans, and paywall placement. Crafting a compelling message here is crucial because it's often the first impression potential students will have of your course. Finally, you can customize the design of your entire course page by clicking the Edit button. For deeper design changes, click the brush icon to access site styles. This opens up a range of design tools where you can adjust fonts, colors, spacing, and overall aesthetics. Explore these options to create a course page that not only looks professional but also aligns with your brand identity. And there you have it, you've successfully built a course in Squarespace Courses. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.